Alright folks, welcome back to another edition of Show Me Your Car. And do I got a cool one for you to see right now. But before I show it to you, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it if you did. And I also want to thank all my other subscribers that had recently subscribed. Thank you very much. But anyhow, I'm here with
Gordon Stewart.
Gordon, nice to meet you, Gordon. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Hey, you got this really cool car here. What kind of car do you have?
It's a 1932 Ford Roadster convertible.
A 32 Ford Roadster, huh?
Yeah. And it's got a 347 stroker Ford engine in it.
Okay.
A lot of these 32 Fords, they're kind of rare to get a Ford engine, but there she is.
Yeah, they are, yeah.
And so I originally found this down in Florida.
Really?
In the Keys, yeah, on Big Pine Key. And I have a house down in Summerlin. And so I brought it back and had a new interior put in it. And chromed up a lot of things, put new more larger headlights on it up in the front. Had some little smaller chrome headlights. Put some new tires and white walls on it, and this hitch here is all customized chromed hitch.
Oh, okay, yeah. Very nice.
I was down at a Potosi, Missouri car show, and I found this little red boat.
Oh boy, look at that, folks.
On two wheels, and it was pretty beat up and faded.
Yeah.
And the chrome was all pitted, and the engine back here was really dull and dingy.
Yeah.
And I took it all apart and repainted it, put some new valve covers on it, and installed a horn up here. The compressor's inside the air cleaner.
Oh, sweet.
New steering wheel and the new interior.
Wow.
So I had a pinstripe. There's some anchors up there in the front.
Oh, yeah.
And some pinstriping on the side. Also, the 32 Ford, I had that pinstripe too.
Okay, yeah, we'll look at that here in a second.
So yeah, that's my baby.
So you got the flags back here and everything.
Yeah, you mounted some flags.
And the propeller?
Yeah, I found that propeller at a flea market down in Florida.
Okay.
The license plate frame came from Etsy.
Okay.
Etsy. They got a lot of cool
Check
things on Etsy.
this out, folks. Look at this license plate frame. It's got seashells all over it.
Yeah.
That's really cool for sure. And you got the pinstriping around the lights back here?
Yep. My pinstriper is great.
Yes, it looks like you did a wonderful job. Definitely.
Yeah, so it's really come along. I finally got done with it.
I bet.
And this is my first show actually with this boat.
Really?
Yeah,
it really adds to it, you know?
Yeah.
For sure. Now, I see your trailer hitch down there. It's all chrome now. You had that chromed, or did you buy it like that?
No, I had it chromed.
Okay.
Yeah.
That really makes it look sharp, doesn't it?
Right, down in Coupe, Missouri. My
okay.
Chrome. Yep.
Wow.
Highline Chroming did that.
Oh, wow, okay.
And then Dan, the pinstriper, did the pinstriping.
Okay.
You guys are great.
Hot Rod Ford. That is nice.
Yep.
I'll come around to this side here.
Yeah, I pulled in here, and my buddy over here says, "Oh, Tim's coming, so you got to pull over. We've got to make room for Tim." So I pulled over right in the mud.
Oh my! Wouldn't they figure? Those guys park in the grass and they gave you the mud hole, huh?
That's right.
Yeah. Well, this is really
shows how I rate. Yeah, it's a brand new interior.
Is this actually a convertible?
Yeah, that's a convertible. Yep.
Wow.
It comes down, the top folds back and folds down in the back.
Wow.
And that's a custom-made dash with brushed aluminum.
Okay.
Machine, they call it machined aluminum.
Yeah.
And the console was custom made.
Let's take a look at that, folks.
Yeah.
There you go.
Jerry Klitsch of Top Stitch Interiors did the console and the interior.
I'll be darned. Well, it looks beautiful.
Thank you.
It really does. Now, you said this was a Ford engine, right?
Yeah, that's a 347 stroker Ford. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
How's it run?
Great. Yep.
Very nice. Yep. Oh, check it out, folks. He's got a little car on his roof. It looks just like his big car. Is that neat or what? That's super cool.
Thank you.
Now you just need to find yourself a little boat to put behind it, huh?
You're right.
Yeah, that'd be hard to do.
Now you give me something else to do.
Yeah, I guess so. So you added bigger headlights on this, right?
Yeah, those are 8.5 inch headlights, I believe.
Okay.
Or 8 1/4. One.
Okay.
Had some tiny little chrome Dietz headlights on them.
Okay.
And I thought that these would look better. I painted those up and installed them.
Oh, very nice.
And then I put the spreader bar on with the blinkers on it.
Oh, okay. That's where you, and these other ones up here are blinkers too then?
Oh yeah.
Blinker and a blinker?
Yeah, there's blinkers in there, yeah.
Nice.
Little grill protector here in the front.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, Dan did this too. Dan the pinstriper.
Okay.
He goes by Knucklehead, they call him.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's local.
Is he a knucklehead?
No, he's a hell of a nice guy. He really is.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Yep.
Well, that's awesome. I tell you what, and I like how you got all that chrome down there on the wheels too.
Yep.
You know, on that front end.
Yeah, it's Pete and Jake's front end. They're famous for hot rod front ends.
Wow. I tell you what.
Actually, a 32 hot rod was the first real hot rod. They used to race these on the flats, salt flats, and they got the original 32s with flatheads up to 160 mile an hour.
Really?
Yeah, it's unbelievable.
I'll be darned. Yeah, that is hard to believe for a flathead.
Here's on my display there. That was one of the original hot rods. But actually, hot rod started with the 32. It's the original hot rod. And this 32 is the only one that's on the post office stamp.
Wow.
And that was in 2013.
I'll be darned.
It's the only hot rod they ever put on a postage stamp.
I'll be darned.
32 Ford.
Yeah, that's really cool. And I love these wheels too, with the little chrome strip around it and little baby moons in there.
Those are beauty rims.
Yeah.
Baby moons. Yeah.
Wow, very nice.
There's a guy out in California, Hubcap Mike. He carries just about anything you can dream of.
Wow. I tell you what, there's not much room in there for them headers, is there?
Not much.
Yeah, you got enough though. That's all it takes, right?
Yeah. Getting that chrome steering bar in there was really difficult.
Oh, I bet it was.
Because of these headers here.
Yeah.
Me and a buddy had to actually beat these headers in. And those are all ceramic coated. I bought them brand new and installed them, but they wouldn't fit because of that bar.
Yeah.
We had to we were afraid we were going to fracture the headers doing it, but it didn't. So.
Good. Did you have to heat it up or what?
No, we didn't heat them up. Nope.
Oh,
nope.
That's good. I got a question about this car too.
Yeah.
You said that you got it down in Florida.
Right.
Was it pretty rust free from being down there next to the ocean and stuff? Or?
Yeah, the lady, what happened was this gentleman passed away. He had cancer, and she didn't want to sell it to just anybody down there. She wanted somebody who she felt you'd be safe with. But it's a fiberglass car, and she kept it in an air-conditioned trailer.
Okay, so this is a fiberglass body?
Yes.
Okay.
It's a fiberglass body.
Okay,
yes.
gotcha.
They call it a bebop body from Bebop.
Okay, nice.
There's like 3 different body styles that are fiberglass, and Bebop is one of them.
Yeah, I'll be darned. So you got your hamburger up here in case you get hungry after a while.
That's right.
Yeah, very nice.
For what that cost, I could have gone to McDonald's like 50 times.
Oh, I know.
And brought one.
I know for sure, and I like your old gas can here.
Yeah.
That is really nice for sure.
I found that on Facebook Marketplace.
Oh, really? That is cool.
$15. Yep.
It fits out real nice right there.
Yep.
For sure. Well, we're going to get a video of the top of this car.
Sure.
This is always fun to see.
You're good to get that.
Yeah.
I can start it if you want.
Oh, that'd be great. We'll look around at the back here over the top in just a minute once he fires it up. That's got a real nice sound to it, didn't it?
Yeah, it's tuned up pretty well. Yeah.
It's not overwhelming loud, but it's got a nice sound to it, you know?
Get that way, put the foot in there, right?
Yeah?
Yeah, you can make them a lot louder.
Oh, I bet. I bet on that.
They got cutouts on it?
Yeah.
Put glass packs and stuff like that on it.
All right. Well, I'm going to walk around again on this.
Sure.
What's the story on the boat?
I ran across that older gentleman. He's 80 years old down in Potosi, Missouri.
Good. How are you? Nice seeing you again.
Last fall. And it was pretty beat up, and
for sure.
paint was all
You got to
faded
check out
out.
the boat.
Wheels, he had some kind of colored wheels.
The boat.
Just really sloppy, you know. The engine was sitting on top of the fiberglass, not even mounted. I took it all apart and blasted the manifold out, put new valve covers on it, painted the carburetor, put a new distributor on, put the horns. Oh no, it's a fake. It looks like it's real.
Yeah.
I tried to make it as real looking.
Very neat.
I think with full engine, it would just sink.
No, No, it's just sitting
Very
there.
cool for sure.
I worked in
Alright.
a place in Chicago.
All right, sir.
Okay.
Well, thank you very much for
Thank
taking a
you.
minute and showing me your car. I really do appreciate it. It's a very special car,
Well, thank you.
without a doubt.
Thank you.
All right, folks, so I hope you enjoyed that edition of Show Me Your Car. And if you did, click the little round logo up here. You can subscribe there. It's free to do. And right here on this side was the last video I just did. Thanks a bunch.